Hi guys, have you ever looked at a stock trading for just a few dollars and thought, what if this is the one everyone is ignoring? Imagine investing just $1,000 today, then forgetting about it for the next 10 years, and in 2035, opening your brokerage account to discover that investment has multiplied several times over. Sounds exciting, but here's the real question. Could Plug Power actually make that happen? Or could it become one of the biggest disappointments in the market? Today we're going to break everything down. We'll look at realistic price predictions, possible returns on a $1,000 investment, the biggest risks nobody talks about, and finally, I'll share my personal opinion. Make sure you stay until the end because my prediction for 2035 might surprise you. And remember, this isn't financial advice. It's simply one investor sharing research and opinions. Now let's begin. Plug Power isn't just another small company. It has been trying to build something much bigger, a future powered by hydrogen. Instead of relying only on batteries, Plug Power believes hydrogen fuel cells can power warehouses, heavy trucks, airports, manufacturing facilities, and even data centers in the future. It's a massive vision, and that's exactly why investors remain divided. Some believe Plug Power could become one of the biggest winners of the clean energy revolution. Others believe it may never become consistently profitable. That's where the opportunity and the danger both exist. Now here's something interesting. If everyone already believed Plug Power would become successful, the stock probably wouldn't be trading at today's price. Most of the biggest investing opportunities look risky before they look obvious. Think about companies like Amazon years ago, or Tesla before Wall Street believed in electric vehicles. Now, I'm not saying Plug Power will become the next Tesla, but history shows that transformational companies usually face years of doubt before investors recognize their value. The biggest question is, can Plug Power survive long enough to reach that future? Because survival matters more than potential. Let's imagine you invest exactly $1,000 today. Nobody knows where the stock will trade in 2035. So instead of making unrealistic promises, let's consider three possible scenarios. Scenario number 1. The bear case. Suppose Plug Power struggles to become profitable. Hydrogen adoption remains slower than expected. The company keeps raising money. Competition increases. In this situation, the stock could stay around today's levels or even decline further. Your $1,000 investment might only be worth between $500 and $900. Now let's move to the second possibility. The base case. Plug Power successfully reduces costs. Revenue continues growing. Hydrogen demand gradually increases across industries. The company becomes financially stronger. If that happens, a share price somewhere around $15 to $25 by 2035 doesn't seem impossible. A $1,000 investment could potentially become around $3,000 to $6,000. But here's where things become really interesting. The bull case. Imagine governments continue investing heavily in clean energy. Hydrogen becomes widely adopted. Plug Power executes its business plan almost perfectly. Margins improve. Profits finally arrive. Investor confidence returns. Could the stock reach $40, $60, or even higher? It's possible. Not guaranteed. Just possible. If that optimistic scenario plays out, your $1,000 investment could potentially grow to $8,000, $10,000, or even more over the next decade. Now let me share my opinion. I think Plug Power is one of those stocks that could deliver extraordinary returns if management executes well and hydrogen adoption accelerates. But it's also one of the riskiest growth stocks in the market today. Personally, I wouldn't bet my entire portfolio on it. I'd treat it as a high-risk, high-reward investment and only allocate money I can afford to leave invested for many years. Now I want to hear from you. If you had a $1,000 to invest today, would you buy Plug Power? Or would you choose another stock like Nvidia, AMD, Tesla, or Palantir? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this analysis and want more realistic stock predictions backed by research instead of hype, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See ya, guys.